Hey everyone. Yes, it is that time of year. I have here the extra large Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2026. It was supposed to arrive on Thursday. I'm filming this on Saturday the 17th. Go Hawks. And yeah, then they sent me an email saying it wouldn't show up until the 24th. I was super sad and very surprised to see it here on Saturday. That is what the paper looks like this year. If anyone's new, welcome. This here is a $150 mystery beauty bag. Yeah, ouch. Plus $20 shipping. And where I live in Washington State, my tax was 10.2%. So I paid $187.34. This better be a good box. Now, I've only seen maybe 5 unboxings, and let's just say I wasn't wowed, so I better get my money's worth. All right, I'm going to reach in here. It comes all packed together in bubble wrap, so let me not look. I like to be surprised. My bag is very light. All right, first item. Oh, okay. Let's get the obligatory hair care product out of the way. This is from ORIBE. It's the Hair Alchemy Headless Styling Balm. Normally I hate hair care products because just, you know, I have short hair that I get cut every 6 to 8 weeks. But a styling balm, what does she look like? I have not seen anyone unbox this yet. Let's see if I can quickly figure out how you use this. It says apply to damp hair and set with preferred heatless styling method. Can also be air dried to define waves and natural texture. Okay, seriously, of all the hair care products I could have received, I might actually use this one. What do we have next? Whatever it is super light. This here is from U Beauty, and it's the Plasma Lip Compound. In the 5 videos I've seen, I think every single person has received this product. It's going to be a very bougie, pricey, I want to say $68 lip serum. I have seen people receive different shades. Ooh, I have the shade Tulle. So hopefully, based off of the picture, by the way, what a waste of packaging. It's this big box for this little tiny product. Yay, I love a soft peachy pink. Ooh, this is right up my alley. Yay, okay. Score 2 points for me. Yeah, I could have gotten like a deep red, which I wouldn't wear. All right, next product. What are you? Okay, so this is from HOLIFROG, and it is something I'm going to need my little friend to figure out. What are you? Oh, okay, cool. It's a hyaluronic acid and antioxidant hydrating serum. I am 59 years old, love and enjoy skincare products, and I will gladly use this. Okay, what interesting packaging. It almost looks like a foot powder or something. How do you open this? Oh, look at that. Twist, and then fancy pump. All right, that is a nice product. All right, I'm feeling what I think is going to be the obligatory good molecules product. And yep, I've been seeing everyone receive a box. I got the Energizing eye kit, which has a yerba mate wake up eye gel and caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. Okay, this is what she looks like. You get 60 under eye gel patches and an eye cream. Not mad at that. All right, next product is this mini palette from NATASHA DENONA, the My Mini Dream Palette. I think I've seen just about everyone get this little mini palette. Interesting how this little protector was outside the palette. This is right up my alley, and I love the size. Oh no, next product. I've seen a couple people get this. This here is a nail polish from, what is this brand called? The MANUCURIST Paris, and it's an active shine. I don't know, maybe you put it on top of your color. It looks a little shimmery. I've been getting my nails done lately with gels, so I'll set that aside. Not the best product and probably not the most price pointy product. All right, got a couple products left. Next we have an itty bitty teeny weeny product. What are you? Okay, this is from SURRATT. Last year I got a cream eyeshadow from SURRATT and it was really tiny. I think this is going to be a blush. I don't know enough about SURRATT. Are their products always this tiny, or is this a mini sample? Please let me know. Okay, what exactly is this? It is the Artistique blush, and I got the shade Cherubique. Okay. So tiny. OMG. That took me forever to figure out. I was trying to lift it up. You actually slide it open. That is, a hot mess because it just fell. That is a really pretty color. Very light and right up my alley. Okay. By the way, if you're noticing I look pasty pale, it's because right after this, I'm going to be filming a try on. All right. What else? Okay. I feel a brush. Please be from Sonia G. Oh, yes, I think it is. Yes, and it's, are you the exact same brush I got last year? Let's see if it's the Pro Series. This is Designer Pro, which, hold on, I think is the one I got last year. This is the one I got last year. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. First off, I'm super excited I got a Sonia G brush. Second, this is much better. Somebody got like a fan brush, which I rarely, let me start over. I never use a fan brush. But yes, okay. Better than not getting a Sonia G brush. And actually, this is a really nice brush. All right, last product is the eyeshadow palette. And I got a DANESSA MYRICKS. The question is, which one? Okay, so this is the Groundwork Defining Neutrals. Honestly, I was kind of hoping to get the, what do they call it? The Something in Bloom. But I will gladly take a neutral palette. Although, yeah, there are no shimmers. But I am a neutral girly. And honestly, last year I was jealous of the people who got this palette. All right, let's recap everything I got in the 2026 Beautylish Lucky Bag. I got the Good Molecules Energizing Eye Kit, the ORIBE Heat Alchemy Hairless Styling Balm, the U Beauty The Plasma Lip Compound, the HOLIFROG Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidant Hydrating Serum, the MANUCURIST Paris Nail Care Effects Active Shine, the Designer Pro brush from Sonia G, the Artistique blush from SURRATT, the My Mini Dream palette from NATASHA DENONA, and the Groundwork Defining palette from DANESSA MYRICKS. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I wasn't as disappointed as I thought I would be. I know, high expectations, right? I got a NATASHA DENONA palette, even though it's small. I love the shades. Last year, I had a lot of FOMO on not getting this palette, so I'm kind of glad to get it, but then I'm thinking, it's a couple of years old now. This intrigues me, but I'm also super curious if it's like a mini, because it is so tiny, but beautiful. I will use and enjoy a serum. I got a good shade or shade I will wear from this U Beauty lip compound. I got a hair care product that I might actually be able to use, so yay. And I got a Sonia G brush. Do I already own it because I got it last year? Yeah, but it's still a brush I will use and enjoy. One of these days I really hope to get an eyeshadow brush. This is the one product that at the moment I'm like a little meh, but it is something I would actually use at some point in my life, and it's a color obviously I will use and enjoy. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value. In editing, I'll figure out, did I reach that magical, is it $300 or $350 that they promise? But let me know, did you get a box this year? If so, did we twin or get any of the same products? And if you happen to have a channel, let me know and I'll go watch your unboxing video. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe for those who have. Thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you happen to be watching on your phone, I would love if you would hit the swipe button. All right, thanks everyone.